Children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we have started with our new chapter from Tuesday. As you all know that on Tuesday you got your first assignment of your new chapter, that is chapter number 8. Okay, so I hope you all have understood whatever I have explained you that day. In that assignment I gave you two videos, part 1 and part 2. In part 1 video I gave you explanation of half chapter and reading also, and then in part 2 I gave you notebook exercise of hard words to write in your EVS notebook. So I hope till now you all have completed that work. And now children, today I will complete the chapter. Okay, I will read and explain it to you, the leftover part, and then we will do in the next first video we will do explanation part, and in the last video, second part video, we will do the book exercise. Is that clear? So I hope you all are ready, children. Very good. So for that, first of all, take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book number 1 for class 1 and please turn to page number 27. Now, as you can see here, page number 27, chapter number 8, we need a house. Clear? So first of all, I want to recall this. So children, first of all, I will give you a short introduction of what we have studied on Tuesday, and then we will start with our next part. Okay, so as you all know that chapter number 8, we need a house. This topic is all about houses. Okay, how a house helps us. Okay, how it protects us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, and how many different kinds of houses are there. So we have learned that there are two kinds of houses. Okay, different types of houses. First one was kacha house and second one was pakka house. Okay, so first one we have done, which is a kacha house. So what we have learnt about a kacha house, children, that it is made up of clay and straw, and the roof of a kacha house is made up of leaves or dry grass, and the second name for a kacha house is known as a hut. As you can see in this picture, it is mostly found in villages. ये कहाँ पे ऐसे वाले घर हमें कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं? Villages में, गाँव में. Okay, it is not so strong. और ये वाले जो कच्चा houses होते हैं ये बिल्कुल भी strong नहीं होते. They are not permanent houses. Okay, they are not even strong, they are not even permanent houses. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this part. Now moving towards the second part, which is pakka house. Now what is a pakka house, children? A pakka house is made of bricks, bricks, bricks. That is, what is a brick, children? Bricks मतलब ईंटों से, ईंटों का बना होता है. Cement. Okay, you all know what is cement. And steel. Clear? Steel. The doors and windows are made of glass and wood. जो हमारे घर के doors और windows बने होते हैं वो किससे बने होते हैं? wood से और glass से. It is mostly found in towns and cities. ये हमें ऐसे पक्का houses जो हैं ये हमें कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? देखने को मिलते हैं towns में और cities में. It is very strong. They are very strong houses. Okay, and they are very durable also, and they are permanent houses. See, as you can see in this picture, this is a pakka house. It is made so nicely, made of brick, cement and steel. Okay, and the doors and windows are made up of glass and wood, as you can see. Now next is a big pakka house is called a bungalow. जो बहुत बड़े houses बने होते हैं, जो बहुत बड़े एरिया में बहुत बड़े वाले पक्का हाउस होते हैं, those are known as bungalow. As you can see in this third picture, this is a picture of a bungalow. Is that clear? So what is a bungalow, children? It is a big pakka house. Clear to you all? Now turn the page. So here what we are going to study, some houses are made of wood only. They are mostly found in hilly regions. कुछ houses ऐसे हैं जो खाली wood के बने होते हैं, only wood मतलब लकड़ी के. दे आर मोस्टली फाउंड इन हिली रीजन्स, वो कहाँ मिलते हैं हमें? हिली रीजन्स, पहाड़ों पे, जो सिर्फ लकड़ी के बने होते हैं और पहाड़ों पे देखने को मिलते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ a good house. Now what is a good house, children? A good house may be big or small. Good house क्या है? छोटा भी हो सकता है और बड़ा भी हो सकता है. But it has doors for people to enter the house. सबसे मेन चीज़ क्या होती है गुड हाउस में? उसमें डोर्स होते हैं जिससे कि हम लोग अंदर आ जा सकते हैं. It has many windows to let in sunlight and fresh air. गुड हाउस में विंडोज़ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन के लिए, सो दैट सनलाइट एंड फ्रेश एयर कैन एंटर. इट हैज़ अ नीट एंड क्लीन फ्लोर. जो उसका फ्लोर है, ज़मीन है, वो कैसी होनी चाहिए? नीट एंड क्लीन. क्लियर? इट हैज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रूफ टू कवर द टॉप ऑफ द हाउस. जो एक गुड हाउस होता है उसकी जो छत होती है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. इट हैज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रूफ टू कवर द टॉप ऑफ द हाउस. घर का ऊपर का हिस्सा कवर करने के लिए, ऊपर का पार्ट कवर करने के लिए रूफ बनाते हैं. और वो रूफ कैसी होनी चाहिए? स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर रूफ स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगी तो वो गिर जाएगी. तो दैट इज़ वाई द हाउस शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रूफ. ओके. वी मस्ट कीप आवर हाउस नीट एंड क्लीन. हमें अपना घर कैसे रखना चाहिए? बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन, साफ सुथरा घर हमको अपना रखना चाहिए. दैट इज़ ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर चिल्ड्रन. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. वंस अगेन आई एम रीडिंग द होल चैप्टर. लिसन टू इट केयरफुली एंड लिसन टू ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड how I am reading, and then after this video you will also read this chapter at home twice or thrice. Okay, starting with the reading part again from the first part only. We need a place to live in. This place is called a house. हम सबको रहने के लिए एक जगह चाहिए और उस जगह को हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाउस. Our house protects us from heat, cold and rain. हमें हाउस किससे प्रोटेक्ट करता है? हीट, कोल्ड एंड रेन से. It also protects us from wild animals and thieves. We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. हम अपने घर में सेफ और कंफर्टेबल रहते हैं जब हम अपने हाउस में रहते हैं. Clear? Now, different types of houses. How many kinds of houses are there? How many types of houses? 2 types. First one is kacha house and second one is pakka house. First one, a kacha house is made of clay and straw. As I explained you that day, that what is clay? Mitti, and straw is bhusa. Okay, so mixture of these two things, the walls of the kacha house are made, and the roof is made of leaves or dry grass. Roof किससे बनती है? leaves और dry grass से. It is also called a hut. It is mostly found in villages. It is not so strong. Now coming to the second part, that is pakka house. A pakka house is made of bricks, cement and steel. The doors and windows are made of glass and wood. It is mostly found in towns and cities. It is very strong. A big pakka house is called a bungalow. जो बहुत बड़ा पक्का हाउस होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? It is known as a bungalow. Clear to you all? Now next page. Some houses are made of wood only. They are mostly found in hilly regions. Now what is a good house? A good house may be big or small. It has doors for people to enter the house. What is the use of door? You all have doors in your house. So what is the use? When you want to go out, you go out through the doors only. So doors are very important so that we can enter and exit from the house. Okay. It has many windows to let in sunlight and fresh air. A good house should always have number of windows, good number of windows, so that it can the house should get proper ventilation and it should let in sunlight and fresh air. Okay. It has a neat and clean floor. The floor of the house should be very neat and clean. It has a strong roof to cover the top of the house. And at last, we must keep our house neat and clean. हमें अपना घर बहुत साफ रखना चाहिए. So I hope this topic is clear to you all. That is all for first part video, children. I want you all to read this chapter at home twice or thrice so that it will improve your reading skills. And now please switch on to my part 2 video, in which we are going to do these book exercises. Is that clear? So switch on to part 2 video.